Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I literally achieved this hair color. I'm currently wearing Nadula's Indian natural wave hair. Guys, the wave pattern is beyond gorgeous. I decided to actually color this hair. This hair came as a 1B, but it is summertime and I'm super tired of black hair. I do feel like lighter colors look really nice on me, so I decided to color it. I'm wearing a 26, 24, 22 and 20 inch in the bundles, and this closure was actually a 3-part closure, but I decided to pluck it into a middle part. The hair took amazingly to bleach. This is just bleach. This was no dye, just bleaching the hair itself and then toning it. It took amazingly. The hair is not shedding. This is actually the hair in its natural state. I haven't curled it, I haven't blow dried. All I've done is put some hair serum in there to just bring it to life a little bit more, sprayed some water, and it's actually good to go. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this hair color and how I plucked it and everything like that, so just stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, first, the developer and bleaching powder that I'm using is from True Lights. As you can see, first I've added the developer and then I add the powder after that. I literally just make it like a half and half ratio, and then I mix it. I want it to be a thick creamy consistency. I don't want it to be like a watery lotion. You do want it to be kind of thick, you know, not super thick, but it needs to be not very watery basically. And this is the hair. The hair is gorgeous black. I do love the color. I look at it, it's so soft. The wave pattern is so sexy. It's actually a sexy hair, but I did want it lighter because, like I said, I'm fed up with black hair. I do want something to, like, you know, just bring up my complexion a little bit, just to make me look a little bit more bronzed. So brown hair does that for me. So I just wanted to lift the black a little bit. Well, not a little bit, quite a lot. So I decided to bleach the hair. The hair actually took fantastically to the bleach. It didn't shed whatsoever, and it's still very soft. The bleach that I used is 10%, so it's not harsh at all, but it just means that you need to leave the bleach in the hair a little bit longer so that it can lift the black, because it's going to take some time because it's not a very high percentage. But as you guys can see, I used my hands. I didn't actually use a brush to do it. I just wanted to use my hands because I feel like it's so much easier. The brush makes it complicated, and I wanted this video to be super easy for beginners, like that's trying to bleach hair. So that's how I done it. I just put some gloves on because I didn't want it on my skin so that I can react, and I literally just bleached it. I also bleached the actual lace to lighten the knots as well, just because I know that the hair wouldn't have been black, it would have been lighter, so I didn't want the knots to be too dark. So yeah, just literally done everything with my hands, and I just brushed through the hair to make sure that it didn't tangle and it didn't shed whatsoever. I'm now just going to wrap it in some foil so that it processes a lot quicker. The foil obviously keeps the heat in, and that will make it process quicker. Left it like that for about half an hour, washed it, dried it, redone it again, and then when it dried the second time around, I literally just added some toner, and then I threw in the developer with the toner, again a half and half ratio. I mixed that in, and then when I was done with that, the consistency was quite thick, creamy. Once I done that, I literally grabbed the wig and then I dipped it in there. As you guys can see, the hair took amazingly to the bleach. It lifted pretty quickly just after 2 rounds. Now I'm just literally dipping the wig into the toner. And yeah, the toner acts like a neutralizer, so it gets rid of like all the horrible brassy colors. So yeah, as you guys can see, the hair looks gorgeous. This is exactly how I wanted it to be, and the wave pattern remains, guys. It's not one of those bad hairs where the hair literally goes straight when you wash it. The wave pattern came back, so this definitely authentic Indian hair, 100%. I loved it. So now what I'm doing with a spray bottle, I'm just spraying the front of the closure, and I'm just going to go ahead and pluck. Obviously I can't wear this like a frontal because it is a closure, but I do like my closures to look, you know, semi-natural. I just don't want it to have that horrible straight harsh line. So I'm just going in with a tweezer, and I'm just going to pluck a little bit of the hair, not too much. I don't want to over pluck it, and then the lace gets you know, it gets empty, and then I need to cut it too far back. I'm just plucking away just a little bit. and then that's just the end result, just a little pluck, you know, you see what I'm talking about? So yeah, now literally I just put the wig on and that was it, guys. I didn't do much to the hair, and the color I just love it. I love it. It's gorgeous. Also guys, I have a coupon code down below in the description box that you can use to get some shmoney off on your bundles, and the coupon code is Nadula Nelly. I'm probably going to put it up on the screen as well. I am going to have it in the description box alongside the hair deets and the website. See you guys later. Bye. Mwah.